Yo, what's going on, guys? Crypto Richie here hanging out. I wanted to make this super quick, important video. If you're watching this, it's probably too late, but they're taking the STAKER class snapshot literally today. So if you have any STAKER class NFTs in your wallet, you're good to go. Okay, this is it right here. You can get them on x2y2.io. It's an Ethereum NFT. You're going to get a copy also on Pulse Chain when this thing launches, on Pulse Chain, of course, or when Pulse Chain goes live. But anyway, if you own one Hexican NFT, any of these guys right here, okay, you're going to be getting one Hexphunk. If you own a Hexicana NFT, you're going to get 5 Hexphunks. That's a female. Okay. If you have a Hex NFT with PLS background, which is a different color background here, which is the Pulse Chain background, it's more of a purplish looking color. I don't see any off the top of my head. I have one, thank God. You get 10 Hexphunks, huge. And if you got a rare 1 to 100, you get 5 Hexphunks. So guys, comment down below if you guys are bullish on this little project. Me, I am. Like, I got involved with NFTs through the original CryptoPunks. I just like what they look like. Simple, pixelated, cool attributes. They mixed in some flavors with the STAKER class. You got the beanie, not the Arabian look. What was that NFT? The Saudis. Remember the Saudis? This guy looks like Freddie Mercury here. There's a lot of cool looking characters. This guy I've been wanting to pick up for a while. I never got him. How much is this guy going for? 0.098, $122. I like this guy right here. Anyway, guys, let me know. Comment down below if you have the STAKER class NFT. I have a handful. Be sure. The snapshots today, I wish we would have got an earlier update, like, hey, snapshot is in 3-day countdown. This way people can pick them up. But yeah, guys, just a quick update on the STAKER class NFT. Looking forward to the whole movement, and more people getting involved little by little. If we take a look at the STAKER class here, it's not much volume. Not many owners, but that's okay because we're early. Early guys are the guys who are going to get rewarded if it's a good project, right? If it's a good community in back of it. I think little by little, more and more Hex people are going to get into this, and they're going to start, especially the new guys, especially the new people getting into Hex. I think they're gonna pick one of these Hexphunks out, these Hexicans out, and use it as a profile picture, or just have one just because it's a Hexphunk. But anyway, Crypto Richie here hanging out. Thanks for watching a quick video. Links are down below in the description. Let me know what you think about this whole project here. I like it. I like the people. I like the community over on Twitter. Very active, super cool guys. And yeah, thanks for all you do. Keep pumping it, keep rocking it. They got some cool memes all the time coming out. There's guys working in the background, a lot of cool things happening. And look, $124 for a beautiful Hexicana right there. Not bad, guys. I think this thing could 10x if you just give it some time. It needs time. All right, have a great day. Peace. Comment, like, share the video, and subscribe. We got other videos coming out related to cryptocurrency projects. We're going to be talking about Hex. We're going to be talking about Pulse Doge. We're going to be talking about a bunch of other projects that are going to be released on Pulse Chain. Anyway, peace.